Hello. Ma'am, 2 minutes. I will stop. इसको लगा लूं क्या चार्जिंग पे?
नए बंदे आए।
Yes, funding. I hope it's all settled now.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yeah. Hi.
Good evening. I hope all clear. You know, it takes 5 minutes to adjust with the system and all.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Like you also, I'm also using both devices.
I'm very new to this, all these digital and all, so it takes some time for me as well to settle.
No problem. That's what we learn through different platforms. Today we are using Zoom, tomorrow we may use some other platform. So that keeps on going.
Sure.
Uh, so about yesterday class, participated well. I really appreciate that we had very good communication regarding the corporate culture. So now I request you, as I said yesterday, I want to listen from you.
Ma'am,
Like, yeah.
I think you have to mute something because बार बार ना आवाज में वो इको इको जैसा
Go
कुछ आ रहा
yeah.
है.
Hello.
Hello.
Still it is there. Okay.
Volume.
Hello.
Volume. Yes. Now.
Echo is also not there. Not much, but I can hear from my earphone.
अभी better है. It's
Better.
it's fine now. हाँ हाँ.
So let's
We can continue. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. Now even I don't have echo. So now we both
now it's
like,
fine.
are working
Yes,
properly now. So we can start with that.
Sure.
I was just talking about yesterday's session. We had a very
Right.
nice communication about corporate culture,
culture.
and you said that you visualize the whole
Yes.
corporate in front of you and all these things.
Yes,
So
yes.
we have a very good case studies also, and
Right.
but now I wanted to ask once again from you, like if you have your own setup, or if the okay, fine. Let me have another example. If the management is facing a problem that the employees, right, they are coming every day without any fail, right? But the management is facing the problem in punctuality. People are not punctual. So how do you take up this? I mean, as an HR, what comes to your mind that what should an HR do to know about how to control the behavior of employees who are, feel secure about their long-term job with the organization? Right, one thing, because they say that we are now the employees about years and years, and we have that rights to come late, even nobody can say anything to us. So that spoils the organization culture, or that spoils the other people also. They do even think that if my senior is not coming in time, why should I? So now the management is facing this kind of a problem. What do you think it can help? I mean, what kind of a strategy do you think it will be valuable here to control their behavior? I mean, at least that may not be vanish in a day. Overnight cannot happen.
Definitely. It will take time.
Yeah, that will take time. Yeah.
Right. So firstly, I will check what is the kind of organization behavior they are following. It's a clan culture they are following in the organization, or what kind of exec culture they would be following. And after that, the first step would be to check how the attendance is registered. Is it a punching time, like punching machine is there through which we are evaluating? It's a manual register that somebody is keeping.
Yeah, carry on.
So initially that should be taken care, like what is like how I'm getting this information that there is some employees are coming late, whether I'm taking care of manual register is there, which on which I'm checking that yes, some employees are coming late, or how. So first thing is like how I am able to review that some employees are coming late. If somebody else is telling me, then I should not believe on them that they are saying like my subordinate is coming late. I should have a clear picture by my own, reviewing by my own, like whomsoever is coming late, and how much late is allowed to the company. Maybe we can have a grace time of like, if it is 9 to 9:15, if the candidate is coming up to 9:16, 9:17, we can manage. But yes, if it is
Okay.
taking 9:30 time, then definitely we have to take some action on that. So
Okay.
in term of action, we can initially ask them to come to be punctual. Like we can grant them once or twice in a month. But if again and again that continues, then we can give a like mm, notice. We can say we can give them a notice that this is the third time now you have exceeded the limit, and now if you will come late, we have to make a fine. Some
Okay.
fine,
Okay,
like
that's the
monetary
different
fine would be.
strategy. I mean, monetary fine. And if they say, okay,
Right.
cut down my salary, I'm already earning very much. I'm from a well-off
Hmm.
family. I damn care.
Hmm.
Right. So
Okay.
that time, I mean, this becomes that by forcefully we are making them do. Right. Now,
Hmm.
being an HR here, we are practicing the things which have the strategies which employees will follow willingly. Right.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now your efforts has to be there that employee feels from within. Now this is
Hmm.
my company. If I'll go late,
Hmm.
my work loss is there, not the company's loss is there.
Hmm.
So that feel how it comes. That cannot come by like, okay, take 50 rupees fine a day, 100 rupees
Right.
fine.
Right.
Okay,
Right.
fine, ma'am. I have enough money with my dad. Take it.
Hmm.
So they don't care. So
Right.
that cannot be implemented in their behavior. One thing.
Hmm.
Otherwise,
Right.
you have the initial points are very apt point. I mean, you well defined that yes, you have to take care about registers and manual timing, as well as you have to uh, you have to give somewhere, the grace time also. Right.
Right. Right.
These
Right.
are the different strategies. But
Hmm.
here we are being an HR trying to find out why people are coming late.
Right.
One thing,
Right.
what's the reason?
Hmm.
Right.
Hmm.
We have to identify those reasons and we have to remove from their, behavior. That is a main motto,
Right.
right? So you have to
Yes.
focus on now those points, like first of all, because as I told you, they always feel, insecure from HR. Oh, yaar, ye HR meri to na naukri kha ke rahega. That
Mm-hmm.
feel that's come to their mind when they look at you being an HR.
Mm-hmm.
So your personality or your character or your connectivity, bonding with those employees should not be like that. That has to be
Right.
well connected and motivated one and appreciating to those employees. I mean, so that I said that whatever they do, that has to come
Hmm.
from within,
Yes.
right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So now you, as a first step, at what I really feel as being an HR, you have to see
Hmm.
who all are coming late and how much coming late. But
Correct.
being not
Yes.
being an HR right now here, because they'll say, okay, this is the HR keeping an eye on us every time. So they
Hmm.
come for a week or so on time, and after 15 days again the same
Hmm.
routine will follow,
Right.
because that's not
Right.
changed from
It
within.
can be.
Right
Hmm.
now, being an HR, you have to work on those work things there that change their behavior dramatically,
Behavior.
or
Yes. Yes.
that they feel that this is my company and this is my
Hmm.
loss if I'll go late.
Right.
Right.
Hmm.
And other people see, if something, if I talk about family, if your
Hmm.
grandparents, they normally get up 4:30, 4 or 5 a.m. If they get up from the bed from at 10 a.m., but they will teach
Hmm.
to their grandchildren.
Right.
Right. So, I mean, again, maybe sometime it happens because your company will be in the shifts and all, but
Hmm.
be an HR, you have to be there. Like maybe your office is 9:30 in the morning, but sometime it demands the time that you have to go early also.
Hmm.
Initially, when you are a controller, you are finding problems, and time
Hmm.
being, you may have to spend extra time in work and all. So you need to go there before timing. So
Hmm.
what you do is, uh, You go, say, all of a sudden the first it start from 8 a.m. You there at 7:45. Now you stand in a place where they don't think that you are observing. You're
right,
keeping an eye.
right.
Then that's what it happens now. Oh, this HR, keeping an eye on us. So they
Right.
just bust their time card and all, and they will go to their places.
Right.
That punctuality doesn't work for a longer time. So your duty here now, you have to change your places for standing. Sometimes near security,
Right.
sometimes near workshop, sometimes at the reception, or
Right.
sometimes in a other place or so. I mean, जहां भी देखो वहां अच्छा नजर आ जाता है, वो फील आना चाहिए उन लोग को, राइट? अब इसमें एक फायदा ये है, एक तो आप जब टाइम से पहले जाएंगे, वो बोलेंगे यार इस एचआर का तो 9:30 का है, बट हाउ डेडिकेटेड शी इज वर्किंग फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, वो कहीं ना कहीं उनको स्ट्राइक करेगा, राइट? सेकेंड थिंग जो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट व्हाट आई फील इज टू मेक ए गुड रिलेशन ओवर हियर, जो अभी तक आपको ये सोचते थे कि ये एचआर हमारी जॉब खा सकता है, हमारी शिकायत लगा देगा मैनेजमेंट को, हमारे सीनियर को, इनसे तो जितना भी डिस्टेंस बना के रखो उतना अच्छा है. So that distance, that feel, you have to remove from their mind.
Right.
And
right,
how it is.
Right.
How it is.
That
how
would be like that only. If I go early, then definitely I would be having few minutes which I can spend with the employees to check, to to be friendly with them and to understand their behavior, their thought process, what exactly they are thinking about the company, about the HR, because that is the time we are spending before the office hours. Definitely, they will also they will be free from their like they will not be having any pressure to work because the work time starts from 9. So if we are discussing on anything, maybe on personal note or maybe on official note or maybe anything, if we are discussing before the office hour, they would be definitely free from the office office tensions and all, so we can have a friendly discussion at that time.
This is one thing that right now they are not punctual in their office timings, right? Let us focus on that. We are little diverting from the subject now. Though the point is good that you have here the time to connect with them for the friendly or you can say to communicate with those people, no problem. That's really right. But whenever we start with the relationship with anyone who are hardly accepting us or who are just accepting us for a designation or so, the things come from within that you say about how to greet. If they look you from there, they'll say, good morning, ma'am.
Right.
और जो वर्कर होंगे वो तो आपको राम राम भी कहेंगे, all these things जो भी उनका style है and all these things. But here somehow you too have a chance कि whenever you see them walking towards their to their rooms or to their places, you even simply greet them or just pass a smile.
Right.
Just pass a smile. That's more than enough for them. I mean, now you are narrowing that gap.
Right.
All right.
Yeah,
we are not
initially,
just we are not just
initially, I think,
at the very starting, we are not just having so friendly, because I'll tell
definitely,
you here,
definitely.
if you will be more friendly, they will on your head. So we have to be a kind of a nature that at times we make them feel at ease, but form in our nature. Otherwise, they will put you ask on certain confidential questions and all, which you don't want to answer. And you're not supposed to answer being an HR. तो अभी बोलेंगे मैम मैं आपकी दोस्त हूँ ना, मेरी इंक्रीमेंट बता दो पहले कितनी हो रही है. They try to know from you because if you are much more friendly. So now यहाँ पे friendly होना is to motivate them and to take an initiative to start up for a positive communication.
Yes. Definitely.
Right. So now what will happen that every day they will see you here, there, like that. You appear from anywhere, from any time. And now, the communication started at the initial stage with the smile, with the greeting, small sentences, and all these things, right? So, but here I said you that you are not supposed to tell that you are here for watching them. So keep on
Right.
buzzing on your
Right.
phone. You feel,
Right.
you make them feel that you're busy. You
Busy
let them
somewhere,
know
but
that,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
I mean,
They will
you
not
let
judge
them
that
know that you are
directly.
there for
I got
strategically,
the
I mean,
point. Right.
you got to
Yes.
find.
They
So
should not be aware
do
about that I am watching them. But yes,
watching
my
them.
actual
True.
function
I
is to
mean,
watch them, but let them think that I am busy in some other deed. Right.
exactly. And similarly, at the same time, you are making good connection with them. I mean, you are starting up
Mhm.
building a relationship for the trust,
Right.
for
Hmm.
cooperation, both ways.
Right. Yes.
Right. So on that strategy, you are supposed to work. Then on once you are with them, familiar with them, they are familiar with you, their nature
Hmm.
and all these things, then can have a small, say about half an session in the morning, assembly,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
right? Then you can take up them to talk with them and then to identify problem and all these things, and
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
make certain policies about like rewards. If they
Okay.
are well in time, reward them.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Pat them. Maybe it's a small token of amount of 500 rupees, but that means a lot to them.
Definitely.
Or a small trophy worth 50 rupees,
Mm.
100 rupees. Are there a lot of reasons to find out? You
Right.
can,
Right. Right.
we'll do it in
Mm.
another assignment. I mean,
Just to
once we'll
make them
start with them.
happy that yes, some token
Yes,
is there, some
motivated
treating is there.
also,
Yes.
motivation.
Yes.
Like you
Yeah,
are coming
motivation
well
for
in
sure.
time, your
Mm.
punctuality is noticed, and you
Right.
are rewarded for that. Maybe
Mm.
monetary, maybe
Mm.
appreciation letter, maybe any
Mm.
trophy.
Right. Right.
That totally depends upon your practice and the budget of the company. I mean, if you go about the trophies and all that, that is for five worth from 50 to 100 or 200 rupees only, and buy number of them in the company and keep it in your department and make the strategies. So this is the one thing. Now we talk about relaxation. Obviously,
Mm-hmm.
we are human beings, we are not machine, we have a lot of
Mm-hmm.
physical responsibilities towards our family and all, and we feel that now, yes, our family requires our time at the time of emergencies and all, but that should not be the practice. I mean, coming late.
Mm.
So you
Right.
can make up a policy of grace
Mm-hmm.
time.
Mm.
Now, once we will practice the employee manual for policy, internal policy making, we do that place. We will
Right.
not
Right.
discuss here what actually we
Right.
take
Okay.
it up over
Sure.
here.
Sure. Sure.
And otherwise, we again will be diverted from our subject.
Mm.
So,
We'll jump to
second
some
thing,
other topic.
second
Mm.
problem,
Right. Mm.
second challenge, I would like to
Mm.
say for an HR. Now,
Mm.
they are punctual, right?
Mm.
They come well in time.
Mm.
There is no problem. If you check
Mm.
their register, they are before time. But
Okay.
what will happen? They don't go to their workplace in time.
Right. Okay. Okay.
That can be the another challenge. They
Mm.
are in time, they are
Mm.
disciplined in their time, their login
Right.
time is well very right, but they don't
Mm.
start their work.
Okay.
They gossip, they stand
Mm.
outside, they
Right.
hide for the
Mm. Okay. Mm-hmm.
so
Then
many
I
things.
think being in
Again,
HR,
you
you
have this
have to be
challenge.
there. Right. Then you have to visit each and every department simultaneously or maybe randomly, like between 10, like if it is 9 to 9:15, the grace time is till 9:15. Then I should move exactly like between 9:15 to 9:20. I should have an eye in each and every department, maybe through CCTVs, maybe through, going personally to the departments randomly. So in that way as well, I can keep an eye that yes, the work started over there or no. Or maybe firstly, I have to take care for the supervisors or the managers. If they are in
Okay.
time, if we are,
They are also
have,
in time. I mean, they are
like
also
they
in
have,
time. They're all in the see, if I talk about me, right?
Hmm.
I entered the office. I'm working in customer care department, right? But I have a friendship with the receptionist.
Hmm.
I used to stand there for 15 minutes and I'll wait for my tea and I'll tell peon to, okay, keep my cup also here. I'll also enjoy my tea
Hmm.
with the receptionist. And I gossip, and after half
Hmm.
an hour, I'll go to my room, my
Hmm.
working area.
Right, right. Right. Huh.
Or
Mm,
sometimes, it happens in the companies. I'm telling you the practicality about
right.
that. And
Hmm. Hmm.
when I am talking about this, I'm covering up the face of the females
Right.
who used to
Yes.
do that. And I
Hmm.
won't tell you the name of the company where I went for training, and you will be surprised to know that I said, okay, I mean, it's a 4 to 5 hours training, so let me go to restroom and I'll get fresh and I'll start up. The moment I opened the
Mm-hmm.
door, I was shocked. The slab,
Mm-hmm.
the
Makeup
females
kit.
were lying on that,
Oh.
resting like this.
Oh. Hmm.
Yeah, this is the ladies'
Hmm.
toilet. Nobody can go. And as a
Right.
visitor, I just
Yes.
opened and I went there, and oh my God, I felt so
Hmm.
embarrassed watching them. Doing all these things. One is
Right.
lying,
Right.
one is resting, one is on mobile, one is doing their lipsticks and all, and all,
Mm-hmm.
and blah 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 things. So that was,
Mm-hmm.
wasting 15 to 20 minutes early
Right.
morning
Over
time
there. Hmm.
over there.
So
And they don't
then
bother it.
I
Okay.
think
And after
they
that,
should.
they will
Hmm.
enjoy
Hmm.
morning tea. Another half an
Hmm.
hour is gone. 20 minutes
Right.
till there is a hammering from the boss.
Hmm.
So, initially, once you start up your day with the positivity, with hard work, and with work passion, it's all missing.
Yes.
Though we
Yes.
are
Yes. Yes.
free, I mean, freedom is there from the company side, but freedom doesn't say to misuse it.
Yes. They are
Use it
misusing
when
it.
and where it requires.
Required. Yeah.
Now, being
Hmm.
an HR, you have that challenge.
Right. So in that case, I think what we can say, a meeting, initial meeting or day start kind of meeting should be there in each and every department for started maybe for 15 or to 20 minutes or maybe for half an hour, where they have to gather all the team members and describe their responsibilities for the day or whatever task they have to do in a day.
Good.
So initially that should be taken care in the first maybe for half an hour session, maybe for 1 hour session, so that they can also be in time and they have to attend the meeting, so that they should be the supervisor would have to look after their subordinates, that whether they are attending that meeting or no, and on that basis only they have to decide the whole day's responsibilities area, the task whatever they have to do in that
They
particular day.
already have decided their task and all. I mean, the very previous day
Maybe
before they
reporting.
leave for the office and all, reporting
Right.
is there. But my question is again is the same, that people are coming well in time, but they're not starting up the time. Maybe even the supervisors. I'm not saying that supervisors are not involved; they are also involved in
Hmm.
that. And now this is a team. Actually, if the
Right.
supervisors is connected with the team and also,
Hmm.
it won't happen. So there should not be so much of burden on the HR to work on it. But obviously,
Hmm.
HR is supposed to control all these things to make the people organized and make the work environment in a proper manner. So that requires. So, son, I here would like to tell you that people, what they are doing it.
Hmm.
If I'll
Right.
go to the receptionist, being a female, I'll
Hmm.
gossip about. You know what happened yesterday with my mother-in-law
Hmm.
scolded me a lot.
Hmm.
Or my
Hmm.
husband said me like this. Or what happened to
Hmm.
my neighborhood. And I'm a blah blah gossips and all. We
Right.
keep on sharing. Some people just for that, oh my God, I'm feeling so much of loss, financial loss, and all these things. So
Hmm.
people are sharing their
There. Yes.
problems or
Hmm.
challenges, or
Hmm.
even sometimes they are feel like to share their happiness and their
Hmm.
kind of a my child stood
Huh.
first in the class.
Right.
right?
Yes. They want to share that.
They want to
Definitely.
share that happiness. I mean,
Mm.
there can be any damn reason, happiness, sadness, whatever it is, or just for
Yes.
gossiping. Or
Right.
some people,
Mm.
they don't get chance. Especially we talk about our society. If I talk about the female candidates, oh, इस लड़के से फोन
Mm.
पे बात नहीं करना, उससे नहीं मिलना, ऐसे बात नहीं करना, इस समय नहीं करना.
Mm.
Then they have the time. जैसे ही ऑफिस पहुंचती है ना, then they have that so much
Mm.
of freedom to do it.
Right. I. Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
now, being an HR, again we have to
Mm.
make a strategy, right? Now the
Right.
strategy
Yes.
says that you need to work on certain kind of connectivity programs, which are called
Okay.
engagement activities. Engagement means now you are
Mm-hmm.
engaging employee to employee. We engage employee to
Mm-hmm.
the organization also. Right now we are engaging
Mm-hmm.
all the employees,
Mm-hmm.
so that they won't stand here or there, they sit individually. By doing
Mm-hmm.
this, we can have
Mm-hmm.
multiple of, you can say, benefits. One thing is there,
Mm-hmm.
that there will be good interpersonal relationship with each other.
Right.
Second thing
Mm-hmm.
is that they get the chance to share their thoughts, their happiness, their rewards if they are gifted with, or any kind of a, you can say, laughter. So we can
Mm-hmm.
use certain
Okay.
um, uh, team activities. Team activities.
Right.
So
Mm.
nowadays, organizations are or you can say the HR department is practicing so many morning activities, afternoon activities, and specifically, if you have
Mm-hmm.
time, you can have in the evening. But otherwise, we have the two meetings, at least morning and
Mm.
afternoon. Afternoon, why? Because
Morning and afternoon.
we become dull after lunch, we become tired, and
Mm.
the energy, we feel that
Mm.
lethargicness. So let us gear up once again. So if you go
Right.
through LinkedIn also, if you go through different posts and all, you'll find that immediately at 3 o'clock the buzzer rounds and the music
Huh.
starts.
Yes, it happened in IT
Unemployed
companies as well.
start and then
Yes.
dancing, and after
Yes.
5 minutes they
Yes.
will sit. So this is what to give you some change.
Right.
If you are
Yes.
stressed, you are tired, you are feeling
Mm.
sleepy, or you're sad, or you don't in a mood to work, so that
Mm.
automatically give you full of energy.
Energy.
So
Yes.
even
Yes.
you can have that activity. And about mornings are,
Yeah.
you can say about, you assemble people, not by department wise, I prefer. Why? Because
Okay.
then it will be, that needs time to interact, interpersonal
Mm.
relations. So
Mm-hmm.
we have 3 to 4 departments if we have the space:
Mm-hmm.
auditorium,
Mm.
cafeteria. Even we
Mm.
take to the
Right.
cafeteria too. And
Okay.
I mean, in cafeteria, we'll tell them to watch a movie on Saturday afternoon, and
Mm-hmm.
while showing them the movie, in a clipping, we stop the movie and we'll tell them
Mm.
what this dialogue means. I mean, we connect it to their behavior.
Okay.
It's kind of a
Behavior.
learning,
Yes.
right? It's kind of
Mm-hmm.
a learning also.
Mm-hmm.
You can have
Mm-hmm.
that activity, or
Right.
in
But that
morning
would be
you
in
can
the
have.
second half. And yeah,
So
but what
second
we
half,
can do in the
if we
morning,
talk
in the
about in the
initial time.
morning, you can have a laugher challenge. कौन जोर से हंसेगा for 10 minutes, for
Okay.
5 minutes, clapping session
Right.
or something. I mean, it's a multiple.
Okay.
जो भी, अगर staff
Mm.
कम है, then you can have 3-4 activities. Staff ज़्यादा है, you can have repetition of in the group. Or
Mm.
simple, you can have some yoga exercise, some breathing exercise.
Okay. Okay.
Right,
Yes.
some gossip.
Yes.
I mean, I used to keep
Apart from gossiping like
Monday is
that.
for motivation. See, Monday for motivation, Tuesday for say about turning around. I mean yoga,
Okay.
and
Mm.
Wednesday for making yourself wiki. I mean fun
Mm.
loving. Right. Friday is for fun. Saturdays for a holiday mood, whatever. I mean, give title as much as
Okay.
you can give.
Uh-huh.
And according
Yeah.
to that,
Got it.
start doing small exercise. Now all are fresh, full of energy, go back to your desk and start work.
Right.
अभी क्या है, वो जो
Right.
गॉसिप चल रहा था, अलग अलग खिचड़ी पक रही थी, कुछ भी
वो
नहीं
सब
है,
फ्रेश हो गया.
फ्रेश हो गया. लोग यही तो चाह
Right.
रहे थे. अब आपने
Yes.
कनेक्ट भी कर दिया ग्रुप के अंदर कि मेरी
Yes.
दोस्ती आज तक स्वर्णिम से नहीं थी, लेकिन अब मैंने जब
Yeah.
उनको ज्वाइन
Through
किया,
this
उन्होंने मुझे
activity,
किया, तो जो
definitely
हमारे बीच में
connections would be
डिस्टेंस
there.
था वो कनेक्शन जुड़ गया.
Right. Right.
So
Right. Right.
that's all benefits once you start doing this kind of exercise for doing this.
For the groups, for the communities.
That we call engagement activities. That can be
Okay.
for, I mean, for having any challenge in the organization. You can remove any challenge, right? You can make them more disciplined. You can connect them. You can motivate them. There are a lot of, you can say, benefits out of it.
Positive, yes, yes.
Positiveness. I mean, these things now
Right.
we are practically understanding their problems and we are trying to remove through different methods. Lastly comes, okay, who participates and who is good motivator. Give them the chance to speak, give them the chance to act, give them the chance to address the people, give them the chance to, I mean, what special they have in themselves. So at least, you know, weekly,
there are a number
monthly,
of things we can make them. Yes, 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 yes. Got it, got it.
The more you can connect people, the more good HR you will be. That's what we are learning in this, to make the people good relation, not even with the organization, not only with the HR department, with their supervisors, their managers, and the other people also.
Employee to employee, employee to
employee relations, right? And obviously, you are going to controlling their behavior through different positive activities. I mean, अगर आपको वर्कर्स को समझाना है, आप उसको इंग्लिश में लेक्चर दे दोगे कि डिसिप्लिन का मतलब क्या है, ऑर्गेनाइज होने का मतलब क्या है, they won't learn it. So मेरे को याद है, आज भी हम लोग क्या प्रैक्टिस करते थे, हम every Saturday we invite them for the breakfast. We offer them for the breakfast. Then we used to give them the certain sports which are the team building and which have certain targets. And which says कि अगर आप अकेले कर रहे हो तो क्या losses है, अगर आप ग्रुप में कर रहे हो तो क्या benefits हैं. I mean, they don't understand कि आपने ये प्रोडक्ट बनाया है, इतने टाइम में इतने प्लेटें बनाई हैं, आपने अकेले बनाई हैं. अगर ये ग्रुप में बनाते 100 बनाते, है ना, वो माइंड में नहीं आएगा उनके. So how to teach the blue collar workers through these kind of activities that help the HR to make them understand. I mean, मैंने आपको बोला सबसे पहले तो आपको उनके शूज में जाना है. And sometimes, you know, people have this question from me, राधा मैम आप हर एज ग्रुप के साथ कैसे एडजस्ट हो जाते हो. मैंने कहा that is my quality. अगर मेरे सामने कोई बच्चा ट्रेनिंग के लिए आएगा तो मैं बिल्कुल बच्चा बन जाऊंगी. कोई बहुत बड़ी उम्र का आएगा तो I will be very much respectful for them. और सेम आएंगे, वर्कर लेवल आएगा तो मैं बिल्कुल वर्कर बन जाऊंगी. I forget that I am a female. I'll forget I am a man. I'll treat them as a man. I treat myself as a man. उनके साथ ऐसा खड़ा होना पड़ता है, कई बार हमें लगता है कि जैसे मैं भी लड़का हूँ, वो भी लड़का है. So that feel, that distance should not be there. अभी मेरा एक पॉश का वर्कशॉप हुआ था, उसमें एक क्वेश्चन उठा था कि लड़कियां को हमें ब्लेम करती हैं. तो मैंने कहा नहीं, लुक सी कि लड़कियां भी लड़कों को अप्रिशिएट करती हैं. रिवर्स हो गया है, आजकल लड़कियां इनिशिएटिव लेती हैं लड़कों को दोस्ती कर बोलने के लिए, चैटिंग करने के लिए, अपनी पिक्चर सेंड करने के लिए. और लड़के इतने खुश हो गए, राधा मैम आपने हमारी जो है ना, हमारी तरफ साइड लिया कि हमारे ऊपर सारा दोष नहीं है. ऑब्वियसली देखो, एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती, प्रॉब्लम कहाँ होती है. जब तक सामने वाला रिस्पॉन्स करता रहेगा, आप दोनों मजे लेते रहोगे. So that way I have to go into their age, young age. मैंने बोला चलो ठीक है, तुम्हारे कॉलेज में चलते हैं. कॉलेज में तुम एक दूसरे को कितना दाना फेंकते होगे. I mean, I used to use that kind of a language all sometime. तो आप दोनों को कितना मजा आता होगा कि आप हूटिंग भी करते होगे, ऑल दीज थिंग। लेकिन आज ऑफिस में क्या थोड़ा चेंज है, आज ऑफिस के अकॉर्डिंगली करते हो, 4 दिन तो अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन जब सामने वाला आगे बढ़ता है तो आप पीछे क्यों हो जाते हो? जब आपको पता है आप इनिशिएट कर रहे हो उसके साथ, तो आगे तो बढ़ेगा ही। तो इन पॉश अभी हम लोग ऐसी चीजें बहुत डिस्कस करते हैं जो हमें बहुत ओपन होना पड़ता है। So I'm trying to make you understand कि आपको उनके शूज में, उनके लेवल में
जाना
जाके बात
पड़ेगा।
करनी पड़ती है, to make them understand you are not different, they are not different. तो जो
Right.
infinity complex, जो insecurity होती है, वो आप
That should be.
easily control कर लेते हो।
Okay.
So that was the challenge. अभी हमारे पास और बहुत सारे challenge है।
हाँ, definitely there would be.
We are going to restart the meeting very soon,
हाँ,
तो
हाँ.
इसीलिए मैं वेट कर रही हूँ कि नेक्स्ट चैलेंज मैं तभी शुरू
Okay.
करूँ, इसी पे ही इसी पे
एक
ही
क्वेश्चन मैम ये है कि
हाँ,
इन केस
बोलिए।
किसी कंपनी में हायरार्की पॉलिसी या हायरार्की कल्चर वो अडॉप्ट कर रहे हैं एंड दिस इज लाइक ये जो एंगेजमेंट एक्टिविटीज हैं, दीज आर द वेरी न्यू टू दोस पीपल हु आर देयर इन द कंपनी फ्रॉम पास्ट 20-30 years. So if they are following hierarchy culture, they will not allow the new HR to to initiate like these kind of activities.
I know it is difficult. That's what I'm telling you. HR is a challenge itself. I know. But you have to make them. You have to, what I'll tell you, you have to make them involved in the participation. This is not for only blue collar worker. Make their supervisors involved in that.
Definitely, it is not for any particular.
Right.
We can say
Involve
particular
managers, senior managers. You know, sometimes we make family day. Right. We invite their families also. Let us mingle. We make certain family fun day, or we can say about we can take department wise also, or we can take all together also. So we have lot of occasions. Very shortly we'll be doing the engagement activities for the purpose. I'll tell you how and for what purpose we'll do it. So that you will get the answer. Though yes, obviously seniors who are working from long years and they don't feel like interested. Oh, कौन जाएगा योगा करने, कौन जाएगा, मैं तो यहीं बैठ के कर लेता हूँ, मैं नहीं आता।
Even they can say that इसकी कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है, why you are taking कुछ और आपको करना चाहिए।
Sometimes you have to make mandatory. Sometimes we have to make mandatory. Sometimes we have to make something rewarded one. राइट वो आप उनके स्किल सेट में जोड़ दो कि इसके आपको एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स मिलेंगे आपके परफॉर्मेंस में, अप्रेजल के अंदर दौड़ते हुए आएंगे ना, वो आपको सोचना है कैसे दौड़ाना है।
दैट इज द ड्यूटी।